So we're gonna use this for the drainage, and these are the sockets we're gonna use to open up the drain plug. Oil that I'm using is 530, recommended by Nissan, but I got for high mileage because my truck has more than 100,000 miles. The filter is 7317 that goes in there. So let's go ahead and change the oil. First thing first, you gotta remove this, open up the vent for the air to go in, push this all the way where the oil is, come drain, and let's go ahead and open up the drain plug. So the socket that fits the drain plug is number 14, and right there fits. So we're gonna remove the drain. One thing that I would suggest is to first open up the hood. The latch is right here. You gotta open up the hood and make sure the cap for the oil is open for the air to flow in. And slowly open up this bolt while holding the pressure to it so your hands don't get dirty. Once the oil is drained, put your screw back. Keep a rag handy to clean your hands and the area that you're working with. Alright, now we gonna change the filter. For the filter, you need number 10 socket to open up the plate where the filter sits at. So this is the plate, and you use number 10 to remove this. You can open one of the bolts. So we can have access to the filter. And we can lose the other one a little bit so we can turn around the plate. If you see, your filter is right there. So, and this is in case the oil drains, so from here it drains into your pan, so make sure your oil pan is sitting under it. So let's go in and open that. Sure, this thing fits in there good. Once it become loose, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our oil pan under it so the oil gets into the pan. As you can see, once you loosen the filter, it will start dripping from here. So this is the new filter. Always make sure you put oil here, like this, and then we're gonna hand tight the filter. Put this in. I'm gonna clean up the space. So major difficult work is done. Now we have to pour the oil and just make sure the oil level is correct. And trust me, a lot of people don't understand what is meant by proper oil level. The Nissan truck takes 5.4 quarts. It's better to have a funnel. Now that the truck is balanced, we're gonna let it run a little bit for the oil to circulate, and after that we're gonna check the level. So you clean the dipstick. It has to be till here for the oil to be full, and let's check how much oil we have. So if you see oil is still here, we gotta add more. It would take probably like half a quart more. Clean our dipstick again. And it's almost there. Probably I'll add a little bit more. And that's how you change a oil. I try to explain step by step for anybody who have never done the oil change, to make it easy for them to do the oil change. This is some maintenance, you can do it on your own, and will cost you an arm and a leg. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, go to my channel and see some of my other videos. I do videos on boats, I do videos on cooking, traveling, and some of the small car projects that I have. So if you like what I do, please become part of this small YouTube channel and help me grow. And I'm thankful to everyone who have subscribed my channel and have supported me. Thank you all so much. See you sometime soon in another video.